Hello everyone, it's Kritika again. Today I'm going to share my room tour and my hostel tour, you can say. It is where I live. I'm not showing you the exact location where I live because of the security purpose, but I can show you the exterior of it. So this is the lawn type of free space area where there's so much plants and a great location. This is the first area which we enter, and this is the second one which has been locked. Moving further as we go, this is the open area where we can just sit and chill, and this is the second gate from where I usually used to go to my college, and this is the second gate. So here are also flowers. They are kept my tiffin. So this is how it looks from the second door. So now just moving ahead to the first door from where I usually come. And this is the main entrance gate. This is the drum filled with water for plants to give water to them, and they are so beautiful plants. They are aloe vera. There are so much plants, but they are not flowering right now. It's not their season. So let's just enter from entrance. So ta-da, this is how it looks. It's pretty basic and simple, but this is where I live. This is the first room which enters been locked, which we have seen earlier, and in front there is a sink to wash our utensils, and there's area to hang our clothes if there is raining outside, so we can hang it inside. There's inverter, and there's the second door, second entrance opening. Let's just see the bathroom. This is the bathroom which I use. It's a pretty basic bathroom. We have drum because we have many girls living here, so in case of water storage we can use water from the drums. It's pretty basic bathroom with all the utilities which we want. The cleaner come and clean the bathroom, and here how it looks. Let's just switch off the light and conserve the power. And moving further, this is the inverter in case of electricity shutdown or emergency case. And here is I am. Hello. Yippee. Now moving further, this is the second room, and the kitchen, the last one which have racks, is mine. And this is the clothing area where we hang our clothes. And this is the third room. This is where I've shown you earlier the entrance, the stairs for the terrace. The terrace is also very good. The view is also awesome from here. All my junior have seen this sink area is for washing our dishes. And this is the second bathroom, same as the first bathroom. Nothing much change. It also has a drum and a wiper and sink, the normal bathroom. So this is my tiffin, my lunch. I don't cook food. And this is the corona section. First layer is for corona, and second is when I clean or wash the things. It's my hand wash, my mug, and my bag, which I put the stuffs which I bought from outside. This is my yoga mat, my shoes, and the dirty clothes. And here entering into my room, Jagarpati Bappa. So here I am. Oh, the sound of a wind chime. So it's my beautiful, sweet, small room. So just slip on my indoor slippers. I don't like when people step into my room without removing their slippers. And here it is. This is the heart-shaped pillow given by my friend. This is second year paintings and stuff I made. This table, chair given by auntie. Bed is given also by the auntie. And I try to decorate my room. This is made by me. This is my fan. And this wall hanging is also made by me. Chair is given by auntie. This is my cute little teddy bear. I love it so much. It's so soft. This is also my creation. This is calendar, my cupboard crown, and my induction and refrigerator, my utensils. And this is my table, pretty basic. This is all my creation, my water bottles, and my shoes, my veg fruits, and water storage. And my birthday is coming, so I've prepared for it. This is how I celebrate my birthday alone. And this is my water bottle. I love to keep my table simple. This is a gift a mug given by my friend. This is my all the stuff, thermometer, my oximeter, my diary, my journal. And here my cupboard with a cute little keyring. Actually, one of my friends is from Shillong. She loves it so much. And my calendar and my thoughts everywhere. I know my umbrella. And ta-da! There's nothing much in my fridge. I just use it for food storage. I don't drink cold waters because it doesn't suit my body. There is an ice tray, but you couldn't see it. And that's pretty much it. And it's my outdoor sleepers. And it's my wet jam. I love it. It's Jasmine O'Donnell room freshener, which I love it so much. It keeps my room so much filled with good smells. And that's pretty much it. Let me slip on my outdoor slippers. And this is the whole room tour. How do you like it? Please tell me in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. And thank you for watching. This is all.